short stay in Perth, we lap up some luxuries at the Karrinyup Waters Resort Caravan Park. It's got to be one of the best caravan parks in Perth. Set around a tranquil lake, the park has the best of all the usual facilities, as well as an amazing pool and spa area, which is adjacent to a bar and an alfresco restaurant.
The spa's nice. That one's a very cold one. We tricked Dad into jumping in it.
It's payback time. Kids just spend hours in the pool. Our resort style stay was a far cry from the dusty free camps that we'd loved up north. The next day we explored the Perth metropolitan coastline from Hillaries Walk Marina all the way to the iconic Fremantle. There were heaps of elaborate and free areas to entertain all ages. Here we are at the Little Creatures Brewery. Anyone who enjoys beers got to visit Little Creatures when they come to Perth. They produce some unique beers and some crafty style beers. Low calorie, no carb.
Is it good?
This one's the one for having a diet.
Good. Making the bubbles. The spider. Oh. Cheers, boys.
We're catching a train into Perth to go to
City.
and find out what the Perth train system's like. Perth has an easy to navigate rail network delivering us direct to the city centre.
We're going to the ferry.
Here we are in beautiful Perth. We're taking the ferry over the Swan River for a quick morning tea and coffee before we head to the Perth Mint for a guided tour. What do you think? Swan River.
Was about 40,000 people. Now, 3 years later, that number was over 150,000.
We see the world's largest 1 tonne solid gold coin. We saw a gold bar being poured using the traditional old school method.
Guys, that's about $500,000 worth of gold right there.
Can you lift it?
Don't even think about it. I've got my eye on you. Hey, you, put that down.
A trip by bus to Kings Park and Botanic Gardens
Kings Park, Botanic Gardens.
allowed the kids to run off some steam in a huge, free, steel-driven adventure play area funded by the iron ore projects in Western Australia. What do you think of this place?
Pretty good.
We spent an hour or two here before taking the train back to Karrinyup Waters Resort. We treat ourselves to some takeaway dinner and return to the city for a nighttime view from Kings Park. From Perth, we go south and we spend some action-packed days seeing as much as we possibly can in the few days at Margaret River region. Please be sure to subscribe and like our video and stay tuned for the next adventure.